Asian stocks were mixed while the yen strengthened as investors digested details from the Federal Reserve's most recent meeting, ahead of a G20 summit and a key U.S. jobs report. Equities from Japan to Singapore registered slight declines, while Chinese shares traded in Hong Kong had steeper losses. The S100, the yen climbed against all its major peers. Oil recovered some losses after slumping toward $45 a barrel, snapping 8 days of gains. Minutes from the Federal Reserve's most recent meeting showed a lack of consensus about when to shrink its balance sheet and how to approach policy strategy in a time of low inflation. The officials continued to view gradual interest rate increases as appropriate, while starting the process of unwinding their $4.5 trillion balance sheet this year. Ian Ling in PFBMO Capital Markets discusses the Fed minutes, with the mixed tone from the minutes and the essential delay to the announcement of balance sheet reduction timing. There is no surprise why we are seeing the muted reaction, said Jing Yipan, a market strategist at IG Asia Pte. Nevertheless, as things stand, the Fed's rhetoric still points toward confidence in economic conditions. Geopolitical risk remains on investors' minds as Kim Jong-un's test of an intercontinental ballistic missile capable of striking the U.S. mainland sparked an emergency meeting at the United Nations Security Council. Despite brief flurries of risk aversion, money managers aren't showing signs of undue worry in reaction to North Korea's provocations. Read our Markets Live blog here. Here's what's coming up. These are the main moves in markets: stocks, currencies, bonds, commodities.